Hi there and welcome to Higher English, your go-to channel for mastering idioms, phrasal verbs, collocations and native-like expressions for business English. Whether you're a student, a working professional or an entrepreneur looking to improve your English skills for business success, Higher English is here to help and guide you every step of the way with our Business English Essentials. I'm Craig and today we're taking a look at some vocabulary and expressions related to technology and the tech industry. We'll break them down with examples and scenarios so you can easily integrate them into your conversations. So, let's get started. Our first example is cutting edge. The term cutting edge refers to the most advanced stage in the development of something. It comes from the literal cutting edge of a knife, which is the sharpest and most effective part. In the tech industry, cutting edge means leading the way in innovation and technology. Imagine your company just developed a new AI software that can predict market trends with 99% accuracy. This software is unlike anything currently available. You might say, our new AI software is cutting edge and will revolutionize the market analysis industry. Our next example follows a similar path, but we have bleeding edge, and this is a step beyond cutting edge. It refers to technology so new and innovative that it might be unstable or risky to use. The term plays on cutting edge, suggesting that you're so far ahead that it might be dangerous, like a sharp blade that could cut you. Let's say your team is beta testing a new VR headset that integrates with brain waves for a fully immersive experience. It's groundbreaking but still has some bugs to work out. You could say, our VR headset is on the bleeding edge of technology, offering experiences that no one else can match, but it still needs some fine-tuning. Our next example is at the helm, and this idiom refers to someone who's in a leading position, making decisions and steering the company. Think of a tech CEO like Elon Musk at Tesla, guiding the company towards futuristic innovations. You might say, with our new CTO at the helm, we are exploring uncharted territories in quantum computing. Moving on, we have back end, and the back end refers to the server side of an application or website, including databases and server logic, which the users do not see. It contrasts with the front end, which is the user interface. Imagine that your website is experiencing slow load times and your developers are working on optimizing the server processes. You could say, our developers are focusing on improving the back end to enhance overall performance and user experience. Scalable is our next example, and in the business world, this refers to products or services that can grow and handle increased demand efficiently. Picture a software firm launching a cloud service that can seamlessly expand as more users sign up. They've built a scalable solution that can adapt to their growing customer base. You might say, we've designed a scalable solution to accommodate our clients' future growth. So there you have it, some great vocabulary and expressions to help you with tech and the technology industry. Were any of these examples new for you? Have you used any of them at work? What other phrases and expressions would you like to know more about? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and if you felt this video helpful, please like and subscribe. In the meantime, take care, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye for now.